Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've been thinking about getting NordVPN but don't want to pay full price, I've got you covered. Today I'll share the latest NordVPN coupon codes and promo discounts for 2025 so you can save big on your subscription. Stick with me until the end because I'll share multiple codes so you can pick the one that gives you the biggest savings. NordVPN is one of the most trusted VPN services worldwide, with thousands of servers, lightning fast speeds, threat protection, and the ability to unblock Netflix, Hulu, BBC iPlayer, and more. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or securing your connection on public Wi-Fi, NordVPN is an investment worth every thought. Here are the codes you can try in 2025. Thought 83, save up to 83%. Off long-term plans, Nord 4 free, get 4 months free with 2-year subscriptions. VPN 2025, flat 20% off for new users this year. Save 15, extra 15% off annual plans. Bundle 30% off when you bundle NordVPN with NordPass or NordLocker. Simply click the special link in the description. Choose your plan, apply one of these codes at checkout, and watch your price drop instantly. If one code doesn't give you the maximum discount, try another. One of them will definitely work in 2025. So don't wait. Infoham, if you've ever thought about protecting your privacy online, now's the perfect time to lock in NordVPN at the lowest price. Hit the link in the description, grab your coupon, and start browsing securely today. If this video helped you save, drop a like, subscribe for more VPN promo codes and tech deals, and let me know in the comments which code worked best for you. See you in the next one.